Hey you guys, it's Coupon with Niche and welcome to my channel where I show you how to save money on everyday essential items. We are currently at Publix right now and I'm going to show you the preview deals that will start tomorrow on June 10th until June 16th. Now if you are in Florida, then your ad will look a little different. It will be from June 11th to June 17th. So these are going to be the best deals you could score, but let's go ahead and go right inside of Publix and see what they have for us for this upcoming week. For our first deal, we have our Chun's noodle bowls. They are going to be buy one, get one free starting tomorrow. Now, you could do this deal a few different ways. If you pick up one of them, if you're in a half BOGO state for $2.24, you could clip this dollar coupon and you can pay $1.24 at the register. You would then go over to Ibotta and submit your receipt to get $1 back. It is a limit up to 5 times, but it will make your final cost just 24 cents. If you are in a half BOGO state, you could pick up 2 of them for $4.49. Clip this dollar coupon. You will pay $3.49 out of pocket, and then you will get $1 back for each one on Ibotta, making your final cost just $1.49 for both. Another one of my favorite deals is going to be BOGO again starting tomorrow. It's going to be on our Progresso soup. They will be buy one, get one free. You could pick up 2 of them if you're in a true BOGO state for just $3.39. If you're in a half BOGO state like I am, you could pick up 1 of them for just $1.69. But let me know in the comments, what is your go-to soup? I see they have a lot of different options that I have not tried yet. I typically go for chicken noodle, but I see they have like the chicken tortilla and a few new options that I have not seen yet. Before we head to the next aisle, make sure you are subscribed and also comment savings if you're ready for the next deal. So when couponers say that you don't pay full price for toothpaste, this is exactly what they're talking about. We're going to have our Colgate Max Fresh. They are going to be buy one, get one free starting tomorrow. We are going to pick up 2 of them for $4.99. And then we are going to clip this $4 off of 2 coupon, meaning we are only paying 99 cents for each one, or about 49 cents each. Another amazing deal that we'll have is going to be on our Crest 3D White Mouthwash. It will be on sale again for $7.99. You can really do this deal today if you go to a Publix, but the deal is still going to be valid for tomorrow. We are going to pick up 1 of them for $7.99, and then we're going to clip this $3 coupon, making this only $4.99. It needs to be the 946 milliliters or the 1 liter. If you are needing paper towels, this is going to be an amazing deal for you. We are going to have our 4 double 8 regular rolls of the brownie paper towels. They will be on sale for $6.49 again. And you guys, if you have that $1.50 coupon still, you could use that and it will make one of these just $4.99. We also will have a deal on our quilts in Northern again this upcoming week. We will have them priced at $6.49 for the 6 mega 24 regular rolls. We do have a $1.50 coupon in our app, making these just $4.99. Absolutely love when we have laundry deals, and we happen to have a laundry deal for this upcoming week. So we're going to have the Persil laundry detergent. They will be buy one, get one free. It is going to be on your 84 ounce. Now, if you are in a half BOGO state, you're going to pick up 1 of them for just $8.49. You're going to clip this $2 coupon. You're going to pay $6.49 out of pocket. You are then going to go over to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get that $3 back. It is a limit up to 1, but it will make your final cost just $3.49 for 1. Now, if you are in a true BOGO state, you are going to pick up 2 of them. 2 will cost you $16.99, but we have that $2 coupon. So you're only paying $14.99 out of pocket. You're then going to go to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get that $3 back. It is a limit up to 1, but it will make your final cost for both just $11.99. We will have our Raid Ant and Roach Spray. They are going to be buy one, get one free. You could pick up 1 of them if you're in a half BOGO state for just $2.89. You're going to go to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get $1.25 back, making your final cost just $1.64. If you are in a true BOGO state, pick up 2 of them at $5.79, and then you're going to go to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get $1.25 back. It is a limit up to 3 times, so you're going to get a total of $2.50 back, making your final cost just $3.29 for both. Make sure you are also checking your clearance section at your Publix because we have some really good deals, like our quilts at Northern. It's on clearance. We have our Huggies, the pull-ups, good nights, and these are the big boxes. So make sure you check out your clearance section to see what your store has. We will have an amazing deal on our 8-pack of Pepsi products. They will be buy one, get one free again this upcoming week. We are going to pick up a total of 4 of them for $18.98. And then we are going to clip this $3 off when you purchase 4 of the participating products coupon. That will bring your total to just $15.98 or about $3.99 for each one. So if you do not care for Pepsi products, I do have some other drink deals that we do have. Now, we don't have any digital coupons on them, but they are still really good deals. But before I show you all the deal, let me know in the comments, are you all a Pepsi lover or a Coke lover? Honestly, I'm a Coke lover. I'm actually trying to just do water right now because I'm on a little bit of a diet. But if I was able to choose right now, I'm definitely sticking with the Coke. So we have our Sprite 6-pack of cans. They will be buy one, get one free. Actually, our Sprite, Coca-Cola products, all of that is included, but they will be buy one, get one free. So you can pick up 1 for half the price, or you can pick up 2 for $5.99. We will also have our 6-pack of bottles. They are going to be priced at $8.99, or same thing. If you pick up 1, it will be half the price. Now, I think that only applies in every state except for Florida. Let me know in the comments if I'm right or not. But if you are in other states except for Florida, you can pick up 1 of them for half the price. We will have our Wonder Classic hamburger and hot dog buns. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Now, you could pick up 1 of them for just $1.99. We do have this 50-cent coupon, making it $1.49 out of pocket. You can then go over to Ibotta Symmetry Receipt to get 20 cents back, making your final cost just $1.29. If you know, you know. Callaway Blue is like probably one of the best waters that they have out there. But tomorrow, you guys, these 12 packs are going to be buy one, get one free. So that means you can get 2 of them for just $6.29, which is absolutely amazing. So the original 24-pack is $9.99, but if you pick up these tomorrow, you're going to get 24 of them for just $6.29. So let me know, have y'all had this water? It is literally my favorite. But I love when we have a good water deal. This upcoming week, we will have our Chobani Creamer, and we will also have our La Colombe Cold Brew. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Now, you can mix and match this if you want. If you want to pick up 2 of your cold brew coffees, you can, and then you could do 2 of your creamers. You could do that as well, but I'm just going to do 1 of each. 1 of each will cost me $6.73. And then I have this dollar off of 2 coupon, which will make both of these products just $5.73. We also have an amazing deal on our soft scrub products. We will have our soft scrub duo cubes. They are going to be buy one, get one free. You can pick up 1 of them for just $1.99. Go over to Ibotta Symmetry Receipt for $1.50 back, making this just 49 cents. We will also have our soft scrub cleanser that is going to be buy one, get one free. You could pick up 1 of them for $2.59. Go over to Ibotta Symmetry Receipt to get $2 back. It will make your final cost just 59 cents for 1. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here is just a few of some goodies that you can pick up this upcoming week at Publix using digital coupons, Ibotta, Fetch, and so much more. I will be back tomorrow with a full breakdown of deals. But hopefully this video has helped you, and hopefully you can plan your shopping based upon the deals that we discussed today.